Hey there, future homeowners. Congratulations on closing on your first house. Before you're moving in, there's a couple steps that I need you to take to ensure that the house is safe, comfortable, and ready for you to move in. In today's video, we're going to cover 3 tips that every first-time home buyer should know. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you change the locks throughout the house. And the reason I say this is because we just don't know who all has a copy of those keys. It could be teenage kids, it could be the neighbor, it could be other family members, possibly contractors, house cleaners. The list can go on and on. Before moving in, let's go ahead and clean the house just one more time, even if the sellers had it cleaned for you. Let's pay close attention to the kitchen, the bathrooms, and the floor. If you don't have the time, go ahead and call a professional cleaner, have them come over and do it prior to moving in. Lastly, go ahead and fix all those necessary repairs, anywhere between a leaky faucet, bad wiring, anything that you can fix that's going to make it a lot easier once you're ready to start moving in. So in today's video, we learned 3 things that every home buyer should know on their first house. 1, change the locks. 2, get your house super clean or hire a professional cleaner. Lastly, go ahead and fix all repairs that are needed to be done prior to moving everything in. If you enjoyed this video and would like to follow me for some more tips or DIYs, please subscribe and like this button. So congratulations, you are now a homeowner.